Hi, I'm Marianne Freeman. I'm the BSc Applied Animal Science course tutor at the University Centre Sparsholt. So we're just having a lab today looking at conservation genetics and seeing if we can use some of the applied techniques that they do in real life research. This is a 3-year course that we run for the BSc Applied Animal Science, and first year they get a chance to do lots of lab-based techniques as well as doing some dissections in the other aspects of the university that we have, and we have lots of practicals that we can get the students involved in as well, so get a chance to work with the animals down at the AMC, whether it's domestic species or more exotic species that we have on site too. At the University Centre Sparsholt, it's an applied course, so we do really have a good balance between theory and practical. So at least in first year especially, half of the time that they are spending is on practical or lab-based work, but backed up with the other 50% of the time covering theory of principles of biology and analytical techniques. Alongside the labs that you see here, so we've got 3 of these labs and another 2 wet labs where we can do dissections. We also have the AMC, the Animal Management Centre, where we have over 1,000 individual animals, and the students get a chance to work with a whole range of domestic and exotic species, alongside working on the farm side of things as well. So the students get a chance to go and see some of the livestock and learn how to weigh piglets and work with the dairy cattle and the sheep and help with lambing if that comes up during the time that they're there. Students here go on to a whole variety of different types of work. They might go on and work in labs, they might go on to charity work for conservation charities, they might go on to doing more research through postgraduate research courses, such as the ones that we have here in applied zoo biology, so students can top up that way.
Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm third year Applied Animal Science and Management BSc course. So today we've just been doing some lab work, I think mainly just PCR, just to help with our applied animal science aspect. I think we're doing species manipulation today. So first year we worked mainly with like companion animals and smaller animals, so like cats, dogs, because we've got a cattery down there, we've got a kennel. And then we also worked with like smaller animals like guinea pigs and things like that, rats as well. And then second year we did more tropical stuff, so we did working with snakes and lizards, so like amphibians and reptiles. So here at Sparsholt we have really good facilities. So we've got the lab facilities which are all like up to date, so we can do like nutrition work, we can do DNA work. We've got the lecture halls which have now all been installed with the new cameras, so you can do your online learning as well, which is really, really useful, especially during this situation at the moment. So if anybody asks about coming to Sparsholt, I always recommend it. If they ever say anything to do with the animal industry, I always say Sparsholt, just because like we do have the really good links like with Marwell, and a lot of our lecturers have been abroad, they've worked doing like research as well, so they're like the best people to speak to. And also if you ever do go for a job and you've got Sparsholt on your CV, it's like the best thing to have, I think, in terms of animal industry. Like it's like really well represented in the animal industry, that everyone knows what Sparsholt is and who they are, so it's a really good one to have.